Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Roblox username. To begin, when you first create your Roblox account, you'll choose a unique username. This name identifies you across the entire platform, so pick something memorable and appropriate. Remember, once chosen, your primary username is permanent unless you decide to change it later. You'll also have a display name, which offers more flexibility. Changing your Roblox username is possible, but it comes with a small fee. You'll need 1,000 Robux to make this update. After changing, there's a 7-day cooldown period before you can change it again. To do this, navigate to your account settings, select the Account Info tab, and then click the Change Username icon next to your current name. Follow the prompts to complete the process. It's important to understand the difference between your username and your display name. Your username is your unique identifier, used for logging in and finding your profile. Your display name, however, is what most other players see in games and on your profile. You can change your display name once every 7 days for free, allowing for more creative expression without affecting your core account identity. When choosing or managing your username, always prioritize safety and appropriateness. Avoid sharing personal information in your name. A good username is easy to remember, but hard for others to guess. Remember, your username is a key part of your online identity within the Roblox community, so make it represent you well. Always keep your account secure by using strong passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.